look good.
22's over here.
Top of your sight, top of that sight, hit these right now.
Now you're shooting these, it's like no recoil at all.
There you go.
Try that.
Nice.
You want to reuse your card?
Shot. A little low. Slower on that trigger. That's good. Good. Two more. Last shot.